How to turn off or on dial assist settings on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on. First just go to Truecaller and then click on your profile and then go to settings, and here you will find calling. Just click on it and then scroll down until you find dial assist. Now you can turn it on or off just by one click. It's easy, and that's it. Just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.